This is the engine stand in question. I'll get it opened up and start and set it up and show you guys. I think this thing was around $60 shipped. I could have just went and got it. I live just a little ways from JEGS. It looked like it came with all the bolts to hold the motor to the stand that'll fit in those little welded on nuts. The LS, of course, is all metric, so those probably won't do us any good, but I'll figure it out. Bolts, casters. Feels like fairly decent quality. Metal wheel casters. Alright, the side brackets here. Got two of them, one opposite of the other. Your place for your dowel pin, motor mounts, the front bar, and of course the casters. All the hardware. The crossbar is actually held together by the casters. It's a pretty nice way to save hardware. The only minor hiccup I've run into is the caster. That fastener is recessed and a little bit of a pain to get anything on. After it was all done, it assembled pretty easy, about 5 minutes. Fairly sturdy construction. Price-wise, I'd give it a solid 8, 9 out of 10. Build quality, considering the price, I'm going to have to give it a 9 as well.